Hello, my name is Dennis. I'm the developer of Lina Components, and in this video I'd like to show you how you can determine the index position of an element inside an array. Therefore let's get started. We need the unit, the system tools unit located in usys tools, and inside this unit we need the ArrayPos function, which basically works the same as the standard pos function in the system unit. So we need first of all a value we are looking for. This would be the blue color in blue, red, green. Okay, so basically, let's print it out. So ArrayPos of course returns an integer, so we need to convert it to a string, and let's start it, and it should give us, as we can see, a 0, because the first element in an array is always 0. Let's try it out. Yes, 0. So if we were looking for green, this should return us a 2, because this is 0, 1, 2. Yes, it's a 2. If we are looking for yellow, which does not exist, it will raise an exception, or -1. And if we, as we can see, this ArrayPos function supports a lot of different types and even anonymous types. So we can add add basically every primitive type we want. There are also different varieties of the function available. ArrayPos ref for reference status. What reference status are? They are actually just linked lists. I will explain them in a different video maybe. And types for type checks. So, for example, if we're looking for different classes in classes arrays, or objects in object arrays, this is the way to go. So we could just try it out with a numeric value 345 in the array of so basically this should return the 1, because this would be 0, 1, 2, so the 1. Let's try it out. Yes, so as you can see, it works for every type. You must be careful with static arrays or constant arrays, because the internal index of the array will always go from 0 to the length -1. It will not start with the value you've chosen. So for example, if I say names array of string, and I set the range from 3 to 4, and define names 3 with Dennis and name 4 with Tom. Then I enter the array here and I look for Dennis. Oh, of course, because I'm the most relevant person and everyone is only looking for me. So yeah, just if we start it now, it will return us a 0, because internally the compiler will always work with 0-based arrays. Otherwise it would not make sense, simply because why should Delphi leave 3 fields free where it could theoretically store data? So it won't leave them free. It will simply convert all the access to 3 to 0, and the other way around. It will always recalculate the index access. So they are actually stored within Dennis is actually stored internally in names 0, and Tom is stored in names 1. So if I now determine the ArrayPos value for Dennis, it will return me a 0. We can try it out. Yes, so you must be careful with static arrays. The starting index will not be counted. So you should actually then have to add a 3 and add it with the array. So this would return us a 3, and as we can see, my name should be stored at 3. Alright, I hope it helped you a little bit. There are, as I said, some varieties of the function, but the most relevant one would be the standard ArrayPos function, which I explained in this video. I hope it helps you to create fast and efficient code and easily create your applications, or at least takes some of your work. And yeah, alright, then bye.